Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I purchased a Foxy Fix Stella and I'm really excited, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump on into it. Okay, so I got a Stella sample, which is kind of funny since that's what I ordered. It's really beautiful. I think this is like the same leather that Rowena is, but it's just a different color. So it does have lots of natural markings and spots and wrinkles, and it's kind of got a waxy surface to it. I'm really excited. I think it's going to be beautiful. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Okay, so, wow, I love the way that it feels. I got the perfect fit cover for a B6 Stella I notebook, and I got light pink stitching and light pink elastics. And then I got the pockets. I think you can decide on your pockets. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I ordered this like minutes after they released the leather. It smells incredible. And it does have a lot of markings on it, natural markings. Like here's a little scratch. Totally doesn't bother me because I plan on just throwing this in my bag and letting it do whatever it wants to. So this is my Spice Pepper B6, and I actually do have my Stella I notebook back here. I have it tucked in the back pocket, but it's kind of tight, so it's really a pain to take it out, and I really just want something functional that I can take with me to work, and this will be a lot more lightweight. I don't need all this extra stuff that's in here, so I'm gonna take this out and put it in my cover and see how it fits. Okay, so let's see how it fits. This is really thick. Like, I almost wish I didn't get this pocket, but that's okay. And I didn't get any embossing, and I'm kind of regretting that. I was like, oh, if I don't get embossing, I'll get it quicker. No girl, get your embossing if you want it, because they all take forever and it's worth the wait. Get your embossing. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so this is how it fits. It's pretty snug, but I can fit other stuff in here. I like it. I'm just gonna scratch it just to show you how. Okay, so yeah, it's a lot like the wildflower leather, although this has more of a waxy surface. Wildflower is more velvety. If they had this color in wildflower, I would be like totally down for that. But this is beautiful, and I really do like it. So I hope if you were thinking of getting a Stella that this might help you make a decision. I looked for videos, I didn't see any, so I hope this helps somebody out. Anyway, I'll get this all set up, and maybe I'll do another video later on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!